Yo, Munya won't stop. Hey, won't stop.
That was just by the way. Welcome to my morning routine as a final year student. What's cooking was popping, SJS Nation, SJS fam. People would want to know how I combine everything. So this is my morning routine, especially when I have a lecture. My morning routine as a final year university student. Basically, after bathing, I just put on some pomade. So here's my baby oil. Because I have a dry skin, I often use the baby oil on my skin, and I use the Nivea lotion on my face and sometimes on my skin. So basically these are the normal stuff that I use on my body. After that, I just prep up my face. That is, when I'm going for lecture, I don't really put on heavy makeup. The only thing I do is I just draw my eyebrow, put on some lip gloss, and I am good to go.
Fly, Shejackiesays, young YouTuber, always on the tube trying to make a living. Never gonna freaking stop, no way. Ain't nobody stopping her, no way.
Hello there. It's been a minute. This is your girl Shejackiesays, and you're all welcome back to the SJS vlog, where we talk about fashion, lifestyle, and entertainment.
FJ.
So today,
with the strength of a woman, Shejackiesays. With the power of a woman, Shejackiesays. Everywhere she goes, every day, Shejackiesays. With the strength of a woman, Shejackiesays. With the strength of a woman, Shejackiesays. With the power of a woman, Shejackiesays. Everywhere she goes, every day, Shejackiesays. Looking so fly, Shejackiesays. Young YouTuber, always on the tube trying to make a living. Never gonna freaking stop, no way. Ain't nobody stopping her, no way. Yes, no way. Always in the zone, always in the prime zone. King of queens, looking like a pro, killing every shows. Witness, dark skin girl, looking so fly. SJS family. With the strength of a woman, Shejackiesays. With the power of a woman, Shejackiesays. Everywhere she goes, every day, Shejackiesays. With the strength of a woman, Shejackiesays. With the strength of a woman, Shejackiesays. With the power of a woman, Shejackiesays. Everywhere she goes, every day, Shejackiesays. Looking so fly, Shejackiesays. Young YouTuber, always on the tube trying to make a living. Never gonna freaking stop, no way. Ain't nobody stopping her, no way.
hello there. It's been a minute. This is your girl Shejackiesays, and you're all welcome back to the SJS vlog, where we talk about fashion, lifestyle, and entertainment.
FJ.
So today,
with the strength of a woman, Shejackiesays. With the power of a woman, Shejackiesays. Everywhere she goes,
What's up, guys? So I think I literally took you through my early morning routine before I go for lectures. As most of you know, I'm still a student, final year undergrad student at University of Education, Winneba. So this is me on my way to lectures. I'm very late. It's like 6:22 and the lecture is at 6:30. So I'm very late this morning. I don't know, it's probably because I was vlogging in the morning, and yeah, I don't know, guys, I'm late. And this lecture has more than 400 students inside the lecture hall, which makes me very late because good morning. Maple bread, 1 CD, and I'm gonna pay 50 pesos. Normally, because my lecture is very early and I don't really have time to eat, I get myself bread or beverage and take it along whilst I'm going for the lecture. So I'm on my way to campus, and as COVID is still around, you need to get your nose mask on. So they will just check your nose mask before you enter. This is a checkpoint before you enter campus. So I'm on my way to the lecture hall, which is at newly built lecture theaters just closer to the Faculty of Social Sciences and the Faculty of Educational Studies. Just in case you are wondering too, the fare from my place to campus is 2 Ghana cedis. So in and out, I spend 4 Ghana cedis on my fare.
freaking stop, no way. Ain't nobody stopping her, no way. Yes, no way.
That's my lecturer over there. It's even late. Sir, good morning.
Always on the tube trying to make a living. Never gonna freaking stop, no way. Ain't nobody stopping her, no way.
Okay guys, so I'm done with my morning lecture. So I'm letting my friend drop me off at my end. So we're just on our way leaving the lecture. Apparently the lecture didn't come off. Yes, so I prepped up. So currently the Ghanaian university lecturers are on strike now. We heard the news, but our lecturer told us yesterday to come around, but it didn't come off. And it didn't come off, so I'm just heading back over to my end. Basically this is my morning routine. I'm looking so sleek, bro. Like, bro, I'm looking so sleek. Pacha, I'm my YouTube channel as well. I hear you about you say, Ebe, Nanka fine. Then I said, we are say, as on Kwana watching you, we are Muzaro.
Yo, hey, subscribe it.
So guys, there you have it. That is my morning routine when I am in school as a final year student, especially when I have a lecture in the morning. I'm back home, and just comment below if you want more of these videos up on my channel. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It's still your girl Shejackiesays, your hostess with the mostest, bringing you the hottest, the juiciest, and I am out. Peace guys.
Shejackiesays, with the strength of a woman, Shejackiesays, with the strength of a woman, Shejackiesays, with the power of a woman, Shejackiesays.